Hey guys, so we're having another baking day, and my grandma and I made some toffee. Come on, Grandma.
Yes.
Very tasty.
Good stuff.
Very good toffee.
I'm very impressed. Look at
Connie is very impressed. This is my YouTube channel.
Ooh, beautiful.
Say hi. And then my mom, this is Misty.
I'm not her mom. Oh, Anthony can have some.
My mom made some fudge, but she's lame and didn't put nuts in it, and that's right.
Too, because they have.
Hi.
Those
My
don't
Aunt
taste
Wendy
good with nuts.
Does too. It's gross without nuts. It's nasty.
You both sound like you have colds.
We do. My mom gave it to me. Isn't she nice? Merry Christmas. Here's a cold.
How you doing? Good.
And then let's see your magical masterpieces. Let's show
We are
them.
making homemade turtles, and we have the chocolate and the pecan halves left to put on them, and they are going to be spectacular.
And when they're done, I will take a picture of it. Those look good. They look like caramel apple pieces at first. I thought it was. I was like, what are you guys making now? Can I have one of those caramel apples? It wasn't. It tricked me. It's a cookie. And then you got some pecans over there.
Here, do you want to take?
Those are your test cookies right there that were burnt?
Yeah,
I brought it for you
testing
guys.
the size.
And then my mom made these gluten-free cookies because my gluten-free cookies were a bust. So these are, Mom, what are these called?
Those look like snickerdoodles.
I don't know.
Those are not
Caramel something. Caramel butterscotch, tasty chocolate lemoness. We're having a, oh, I'm still zoomed.
I remember the little one you had.
Yeah, she died.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you
now,
put the sea salt on
we're going to,
Band-Aid.
later on,
Band-Aid.
we're going to make some ugly Christmas sweater cookies.
Okay, if
Since we're
Caitlin
having
never
an
gets
ugly
done in the
Christmas
microwave,
party. Can you stop yelling?
no.
Try one here.
I'm
Every
talking.
time I go to put anything in the microwave,
Stop looking in there.
I'm looking
Stop.
there. I was. Anyway, I go to put the cookies in the oven, their cookies are in the oven. I go to put my stuff in the microwave, their stuff's in the microwave.
You know what, Lisa?
She's too slow,
They're
Joe.
saboteurs.
No,
She just wants her team to win.
We are younger and smarter and faster and better in every way.
Burn! You just got served.
You got served.
Sucker. And then this is Ruby Dooby. And she's a dog that thinks she's a person. So she sits on chairs and people are eating dinner. And she has a little dress harness because it's really cute. It looks like Minnie Mouse. What? Pictures? Say cheese?
Which is fun.
Good job. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so sad. So, me and my grandma went to the store and we went to go buy some gluten-free cookie dough because I can never eat cookies because I'm allergic to gluten. So we went to the store and we went to the aisle and we were looking for gluten-free cookies, and I found one box that was purple. It was like the Annie's cookie mix, and then there was another one that looked the same. So I was looking and I tried to figure out why the cookie boxes looked the same. Well, one was organic, one was gluten-free organic. Well, I went to go put the wrong organic ones back and I accidentally switched them. So I didn't end up getting the gluten-free ones. I got the organic ones. I ate one of the cookies. They were organic. They were very tasty. So if you're not gluten-free allergic but you want to eat organic, the Annie organic cookies, chocolate chip ones, really, really good. But sad to say, I ate one cookie, wasn't gluten-free. So that kind of sucks. But my brother is like a really big like health person. So I'm just gonna let him have those organic cookies. But it was really sad because I hadn't had a cookie in like 4 years and it wasn't gluten-free. So sad. But I just want to tell you guys that it's really sad. I'm very disappointed. They were really good though. Really crunchy and tasty. Because they weren't gluten-free. It was a sad day. Ow.
Yeah.
You're hitting me. You're hitting my spoon. We are making double chocolate salted caramel cookies. Gluten-free cookies. Gluten-free cookies, yes, are gluten-free.
They look pretty amazing.
Have you tried one yet?
No, we have not tried one yet.
Hopefully they're good. I can't see why there wouldn't be.
I don't know.
They're gonna have so much caramel salt on them, you won't be able to taste the difference.
They did
Drown
so
it.
true.
Drown the flavor out.
Missed that one over there.
I know, I got it. Try and get that first drop.
No, not to me.
Yeah, come on.
No.
Do it.
Okay.
Go. Not on you. I'm doing the cookie. Retard. She's all into it. Like, Haley, watch your arm.
Boy, I
Get
bet
away.
you those cookies are
Really? You just made her waste her chocolate. Mandy, get out of here.
I don't want you. I want you on here.
Are you done with this recipe now?
Yes.
Damn. I forgot to put that on one of the cookies.
They good? They taste gluten free? No?
Taste it.
I got a cookie now.
Those are really good.
That is good.
Those are really good.
Okay.
High five.
Another one.
Gluten free. Let's take a bite.
Yeah, I don't want the
I know, just take a bite.
Salt tastes good on it too.
Okay. So we made.
Okay, take a bite. Perfect.
Oh, good.
What do you think?
Very yummy.
Steve,
I think it's good.
Yeah, it's good. I like the salt on it.
what are you doing, Amanda?
Just want a piece of it. I don't want the whole thing.
I want Steve to taste it. All right, you ready, Steve?
Hey, hello. Wait a minute. What is Grandma's called that she made? It was the ginger snaps. Hungarian.
These are good.
I meant sugar and spice cookies.
You gotta find this recipe again.
Sugar and spice.
I'm eating a cookie. I'm eating a cookie. And it's gluten free. And it's gluten free. It was really gluten free. It was really gluten free. Hooray for me. Gluten free.
Okay, so I have chocolate and some.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome.
Oh, chocolate no bake.
Thanks, Mom. A mother's love.
Thumbprint.
So good. Okay, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching us have some baking fun. I'm going to end the vlog now. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post videos. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. As always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful. Toodles for now.
Jingle bells.